So we've been traveling for 2 days, flying for 2 days, absolutely exhausted, and still not there yet.
That we have to take to get to Freetown. The road will be a little bumpy, so hold on. It's about a 5-minute ride, and then we'll wait at the dock for them to load the bags on the boat, and then we will get on the boat. Ferry from Lungi to Freetown. So you come into the airport, you come into a town called Lungi, then you have to take the ferry over to Freetown, and it's about a 3 or 4 hour drive, or you can take a 45-minute ferry boat ride. Okay, let me tell you about this ferry ride. So I've taken a boat several times. So I go camping, my uncle has a boat, no problem when the boat is going fast, but when the boat is settling and it's kind of moving, your girl is no good. So I brought some Dramamine while we were standing in line to get on the bus to come to get onto the ferry. I took 2 Dramamine. I don't think my stomach even likes taking the Dramamine, and it's Ramadan, so I've been kind of fasting, but not really fasting, eating when I need to, drinking water when I need to. Allah knows best. I will make up my fast when I get back home. But so I took 2 Dramamine while we were standing in line. I don't know if I just didn't take it fast enough. So when we got to the ferry, everything was going really good. I was smiling, I was taking shots, I was taking, taking pictures, getting some video, getting some footage for this film. And all of a sudden my stomach just was like, start feeling the move. I was praying the whole time. Everybody else was more so concerned about the water that was coming in. There was water splashing and coming in through the windows. One of my companions that came with me, she got soaking wet from the water coming in, but she was like, girl, this water feels so good, I don't even care. So we were having an adventure, to say the least. So taking that ferry ride from Lungi to Freetown, I was praying the whole time, and I was like, find something to focus on. Don't get sick. No matter what, don't get sick. Alhamdulillah, I did not get sick. Dramamine did your girl good. I was praying. I was like, come on, Dramamine, do your stuff, do your work. But towards the end, the closer and closer we got to Freetown, the sicker and sicker I got. But I was okay. Alhamdulillah, eventually we made it. Alright, so I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour of my room. I just walked in, have not even done anything. Want to show you guys the room before I unpack and make it a mess. So I'm starting at the Radisson Blu. So there's a nice workstation, nice desk area, nice little table for eating. I do not have a roommate, Here's a little TV area. And I love this full mirror. It's a wardrobe to put all my things. The nice safe. It's nice and spacious. And the restroom. The laboratory. Nice shower. I love the shower in Ghana, so I know this shower is going to be amazing as well. And that's it for my little room. I am exhausted, guys. Good night. Wait. I have a patio. Okay. I was not expecting this. Oh, nice. Okay, let's see what kind of view we got outside. It's nice and quiet back here. Not much of a view, but that's okay. All right, good night for the first time. Good night, Sierra Leone. I'm home.